And sometimes I personally feel that teaching and learning does not stop in the four walls of the classroom. I personally feel that the real class starts the moment when you step out from the classroom. Classroom syllabus focus. So there is no much of a room to navigate much outside. But the moment when you step out of the classroom, when you are sitting in the corridor, when you are sitting in the cafe, that's where the real ideas kick in.
See, when you're doing education system, theory, we usually use this theory mostly. Theory, if we keep lecturing all the time without paying attention to what they are learning, or let's say without the practical aspects of the learning, then it's very short-sighted and it won't be fruitful. So that was I have done one thing in the classroom. I usually don't lecture.